from 4x4 shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25 inch Android screen Qualcomm that we installed in a 2016 BMW X5. Car is fully loaded in a 2016 BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe 428. Again, it's fully loaded, and we replaced the screen to our touch screens. On the first screen that we installed, I'm showing you the Apple CarPlay that it's running through our touch screen. So you can use the touch screen when you're doing Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And by clicking our car info, it goes back to the factory function. All of our units, they retain the factory camera. It retains all factory functions, so you don't lose anything. It's just about gain. And by holding the menu button for a few seconds, the screen switch to aftermarket, and we can go back to the Apple CarPlay. You can see how the unit mounts, and these are all our piano finish screens. That basically the screen and the bottom line, they're one piece. This is like comparing to other companies that they try to copy ours. They're not one piece, they're two pieces, and this piece is always plastic. They don't have the screen to be able to do one piece. And this is the 1920 resolution LG screen, which is our HD screen. A lot of customers, they're asking us about the quality of the sound. We don't have any issues with the quality of the sound whatsoever.
Imagine a soldier the size of an insect. The ultimate secret weapon.
If you give godlike powers to everyone, there's going to be chaos.
So how do we stop him?
I'm going to the 4 Series. Again, same thing. Harman Kardon sound system. Both these cars, they come with a premium sound system. And this one I connected to the Android phone. So that's the Android Auto. Again, fully touch. Sorry. Again, fully touch.
Crescent toward Hobbs Gate, then turn right onto Hobbs Gate.
And it's full screen. The 1/3 of the screen, basically it shows the information of if you're playing any songs. Again, the quality of the sound, it's amazing.
You're different. And I believe everyone deserves a shot at redemption. Do you?
Absolutely. My days of breaking into places and stealing stuff are over. What do you want me to do?
You can use online maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other apps that you like. All through your Android Auto. Hey Google, go to closest gas station.
All set, let's go. Turn right on Hobbsgate.
If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. And again, this is the 1920 LG screen that it's installed in this BMW 4 Series. That's the factory iDrive. And again, this 4 Series come with 360 camera, and our unit retains the factory 360 camera. Thank you and have a great day.